Good morning, traders, and God bless. I am Ricky Gaspard. And like we do each morning, we'll be watching this momentum column for these numbers to be increasing, just like the one you see here on BDRX. Once we see this number moving and we see a volume spike beside it, I will click on it and we will check the current bar volume here. We want to make sure there's enough volume moving in and out of this stock so that we can get in and get out safely. If you are new here, I will be marking resistance levels and support levels. Like when the price rises, I will mark let me get the right indicator up there. I will mark a resistance level, and when the price pulls back, I will mark a support level. And if you are new, you want to plan your entry down here around support for the next run up. But we don't want to get in unless we have tall green dominator bars above this yellow average volume line, and that this my blessing indicator is moving upwards. These are buyers and sellers. The green is the buyers, the red is the sellers. Same thing on this indicator here. You can't see them real well. Let me zoom in a little bit. But you can see buyers and sellers is the red. Once we confirm that, we make our decision. You may see a white arrow pop in every now and then. This is a pullback arrow, and they are pretty accurate when they are posted, so pay close attention to these white arrows for an entry as well. And also, I'm not a financial advisor. If you are new, make sure that you reach out to the proper authorities before you use any of my indicators or take any of my suggestions, and before you make a trade. Also, I suggest you write things down on paper. Don't trade real money if you're just beginning. Just write down your entry price, your exit price, and the result of your trade, and track it live each morning until you become profitable on paper. Then start with small share size if you decide to use real money, and see how that works out for you, and you increase your profit by increasing your share size. I've been feeling a little bit under the weather. I'm trying it again this morning. I'm getting over it, but it's been a rough ride. But I think I got it this morning. We'll see how it goes. We have about 2 minutes left to go. A few stocks moving this morning. BDRX, LAC, and STEC was moving earlier, but I don't see it up there now. Make sure your active trader, TIF, is changed over to EXT for extended hours so you don't miss a trade. Thank you, Tally Ho. And make sure you watch the spreads. This is the spread right here. Anything over 9 cents, you're going to see this label turn red. And if you don't know what the spread is, let's just say it says 10 cents and you buy 1,000 shares. Well, 1,000 times 10 cents is $100. You're going to start the trade negative $100. So make sure this spread is not high. I'm willing to pay 9 cents and below, but anything above that, I have to think twice about it. About 45 seconds to go. About 15 seconds. Don't be too quick to jump in. It could sell off right at market open. Let's see what happens here. We're watching these dominator bars. Green is buyers, red are sellers. Looks like the buyers are trying to raise the price. Good chance for a dollar gain on this stock. Watch very carefully here. You don't want to get caught in the selling. Pushing up a little bit more. It's reluctant to go up, so be careful. If you're in profit, I would take some. Spread is high on this stock, but when they're moving dollars, it's going to be a little higher than normal. Nice green dominator bar coming in. And some sellers. Looks like they're pulling out of it now. Some of them, anyway. All right, put this one over on another monitor and check it later or keep an eye on it. Let's see what else we have moving here. Not much on TPST. Not enough volume on LAC. Drug is kind of floating around. NIVF. Not a lot of volume on this one either. I don't suggest getting in it. TVGN made a small move up. Now pulling back. All right, not the start I was expecting, but we had a good day yesterday. Even though I was out sick, I still traded. I did very well. And I take it that everybody else did as well. I think drug was on drugs yesterday. That thing did not know when to quit. Went all the way up to 60 the last I saw. It may have exceeded that. Good, Jade. Good job, Doc. Well, behind the scenes, I sound better, but it hits me every now and then still. Already muted my mic about 3 times. But I am better. I'm getting better. DJT usually don't have enough volume this early in the morning. We'll take a look at it though. It is moving up, and thank you for posting it on YouTube. Looks like the SPY is in a state of shock. It's not doing anything. Not enough buyers on that one. CTCX, 50-cent stock trying to find some buyers. It doesn't have enough quite yet. You can see the sellers and buyers right here. Looks like they're pulling out of it. BURU bouncing around. Thank you, David. Might make a penny or two on this one. Not a whole lot of volume in it, but it seems to be picking up. It's BURU. Looks like we're getting nowhere fast. A lot of sellers in that one. Let's see if the buyers can overtake them. Looks like BURU has decided to go down. After watching yesterday's market and seeing those spreads on drug, sometimes they hit $2. I think they need some regulation there to lower those spreads and quit taking advantage of the traders. Every time I wanted to buy, the spread was high, and it would have cost me $1,000 just to get in, or 2,000. So I stayed away from it most of the day, but I did make a profit out of it. Good morning, Jimmy. Fun is moving up, but not enough volume to get into this stock. Slightly, I'm getting there. Thanks for asking. Good job, Greg B. And I see one of my alerts going off. Are y'all having a dinging coming on from my side? Let me see if I can find it. Got it. Thank you, Yatu. Good to see you here this morning, brother. All right, looks like we're calming down. Don't see anything moving currently. Thank you, Barry. David, I think if you watch those ETFs, you can pretty much plan it off of the white arrow when it's down around the 34. Just let the white arrow appear. On those ETFs, you don't have to be anxious to get in real quick. Let the arrow appear, wait to see if the movement continues, and jump in. We have a white arrow on BDRX, but not enough volume of buyers to get in. My blessing is above the average line here, but we don't have a bunch of green bars breaking above the average volume line in Dominator Master. TPST trying to make a move. Thank you, Vin. I don't think it has enough volume to carry it up higher. But they could come in anytime. We do have a tall green dominator bar. Watching this indicator right here for buyers to come in. They're coming in slowly. This indicator looks good. It's only paying a few pennies at a time, but money is money if you got enough shares in it. BDRX is in a squeeze. This one could break out to the upside when it gets near the 34. Got to watch the spread on this one. They're already robbing the traders. Good job, Greg B. Good job, RLD. Good job, Joey. Joey, you had a good day yesterday, didn't you? Thank you, sir. Good job, Joey. DJT moving again. DJT to the upside. Might be headed back for that 30 something dollars a share. Well, if I can chase it down, it keeps jumping out from under my mouse. Let me find it. STEC. Well, come on, Mr. Gaspard, get it together. STEC, small spike upwards. Volume looks nice. Let's see if it goes here. Nice tall green dominator bar. Well, that kind of sucks. I bought 1,000. It gave me 22 shares. Guess I'll take my $3.20 and go away. Yeah, I can't mute them. I even have all of the notifications turned off on ThinkorSwim, but every time I trade, it seems to ring a bell, but I don't care. Let you know that I'm actually trading, right? Yeah, it gave me a partial fill. That's ridiculous, though. 22 out of 1,000. I guess there wasn't none available. Everybody was buying and no sellers. Still pushing higher, 240 now. I'm jealous, Greg B. You should be taking profits on the way up, though. Don't get caught holding the whole bag at the end. Good job, brother. Pushing up. Make that money while you can. Take profits as these candles get to the top, at least some profits. Start locking it in so you don't get caught by a big red candle and lose what you made. We want to earn money here, not give it away. Good job, Fumagoo. Looks like the run may be over. I'm seeing sellers coming in on the Dominator Master right here. They are pulling out. We could have a bounce play here if they don't pull out too fast. Let's see. I'll mark resistance. And if this candle closes down here lower, I will mark support for the bounce upwards. Let's see if we can continue now. Let's see if the buyers come back in. If we drop down below that 260, we're probably not going any higher at the moment. Good job, Jimmy. Pushing a little higher now. Going for more. Hope you were watching it. Got to watch this indicator here for them buyers to keep coming in. Let's go. That's a 40-cent gain on that one red candle. And it's red because this indicator's pointing south. Yours may be green. This is the master scalper. It's a warning that these two indicators are not in alignment with each other. Now we're back. We should change to green candle, and we did. Watching these bars grow. Would like to see another tall green one. Lock in some profit if you got back in, just in case it pulls backwards. More buyers coming in. Come on, let's do another drug with this one, huh? How about that? Let's bring that $2 stock up to 60. Pushing on up now, 313. Watching these dominator bars for red. And I see a little red. That means take caution. You may want to take your profits. And we are now pulling backwards. Hopefully you got out, locked it in. Put a little bit of money in your pocket. Good job, YouTube. YouTubers, you should have made a lot of money off of that one. I don't see anybody posting any profits. Good job, Mr. P. All right, I'm going to move on. Let's check these other stocks that may be moving. Not enough volume on that one. MSTR, a little expensive for most traders. I think if TPST had some volume, it would go up, but no volume yet this morning. All right, let's see if these investors come back in and drive it up again. Watching the dominator bars. Good job, KK. Make sure you put STEC in your personal watch list so you can watch it throughout the day to see if you can get another trade on it. My blessing indicator is looking south. I doubt we go back up. BURU moving up a little bit. Thank you, Money Tree. Red dominator bar coming in. Be very careful. It's already ran up slightly one time before. So it's at resistance currently. See you later, Tally Ho. Good luck on your fishing trip. pushing up slightly. And that red seller's bar coming in. Good job, Fumagoo. Good job, Mike Delaney. Good job, 05. And good job, Doc. STEC, my blessing coming up off the bottom. Let's see if we can get some tall green bars to come in to drive it back up. Need these green bars to break above this yellow average volume line for that to happen. Looks like the market is mellowing out currently. Not seeing anything spiking. All right, enjoy your coffee while we wait for the next movers. And YouTubers, if you like what you see, please hit the like button for me on this stream. Help let YouTube know that I need coffee in the morning. That's about all they pay me. I don't think they like that I'm a Christian boy and say God bless and stuff like that, but they'll have to get over it. My life is more important than that $1.98 they pay me. See you later, you four. See you later, Greg B. Man, you guys made money. Now you're leaving. I know you're going to work. One day you may not have to. Just hang in there. About 3 more weeks to go. BDRX. Where did it go? It's not in my list. Temptation candle. This is the one I really would like to see run. We could knock out some dollars here if it does. If they don't mess with the spread too much. Need tall green dominator bar. There it comes. They'll kick that spread in now. I can see it turning red already. They don't want you to buy it. Pushing higher, pushing higher. Let's go. Let's pay them dollars. There we go. Take what you can get out of it. It may not last. Nice tall green dominator bar. Another one will push it up. Come on, get up there above that yellow line for the push forward. Let's go. Right on up there to 1380 now. I'm going to get out here. 1,000 shares, 1,500 bucks for me. Actually, they gave me 1350. I guess I got a bad exit, but I'll take it. Good job, Doc. Could be the spread got me when I got out. Good job, Jimmy. Good job, Don. Good job, G. Samium. OG. Chad. All of you guys making money this morning. 05. Don. Thank you, Yatube and Fumagoo. Sam, I'm using buy the ask and sell the bid. If you don't have that in your system, you need to click the gear icon up there by the buttons and swap them out. It's buy the ask and sell the bid. You got to have auto send selected so that it's a one-click trade. And you have to have TIF in your list as well so you can change it from EXT today. Good job, David. Thank you, OG. Moving on, LAC trying to push up slightly. The volume is not extremely good. Don't even think I want to trade this one. The volume is too low. I don't want to be in a trade over a few seconds or less than a minute, really. WINT under $1, spiking up. Thank you, Daniel H. and A. Rick. And of course, I have a coughing attack right when it takes off. I'm not a trader of these stocks under $1. They seem to rob me when I get into them, so I'm going to stay clear of this one. They are too volatile for me. Pushing up a little higher, pennies at a time. And that's why I don't trade them right there. You get your hopes up and then they rob you. Cyrus is probably not on my screen because it's not spiking up. And in ThinkorSwim, these scans refresh every 2 or 3 minutes, and it may be on the next refresh for me, where yours may have already refreshed. But when we trade in groups, we pretty much eliminate that refresh because we all call out the stocks as they start moving, and we all benefit from that. If you're interested in joining us, there's a little white and yellow ribbon at the top, a banner at the top of that chat window. Click there, join our Discord, then upgrade, and you'll have access to everything but these two indicators, the My Blessing and the Master Scalper. They are separate purchases at $99 each, but you'll make your money back in no time flat. And the website's coming along nicely. I'm trying to get everybody off the Discord. I'm tired of the scammers trying to steal money from all of the members. That will be volumespikes.com. We're getting near launch. We may be a week or two away, maybe 3, but we're getting her done. And YouTubers, if you're new, I've been trading since 1990, probably before most of you were born. And I'm also a coder of 16 years. And just about everything you see on my screen was coded by me. It's my brain and an indicator, basically. Pushing up higher now, cheaper stock, CTCX. Not enough volume in this stock to really drive it up, and it'll probably take your money from you if you get in it. Thomas, you can join the Discord for free and submit a support ticket. Plus, it's all on Discord, so you can get all the information over there. I try not to get too deep into things during these trading sessions. I'd rather make money. But after 10 a.m. Central Time, I'm willing to talk to you if you want to send me a direct message on Discord. Ken, prayers for your brother for your quick recovery. Shane, we're trying to figure that out, how I'm going to move everybody over. I can't do it all at once. It could do damage to my credit if I just drop that supplier, the current one. So I got to do it without causing any harm to the credit processors. But we'll figure it out. STEC still playing in that zone between 269 and 313. All right, YouTubers, hate to cut you loose, but it's time expired. It's 6:55. I do this for free Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays on YouTube to help you make a little bit of money, to show you that we are the real deal. No fluff here. If you want to learn how to scalp, this is where you need to be. I appreciate every one of you joining me this morning. If you want to join our Discord, hit that banner at the top of the chat window. Sign up to Discord for free, then upgrade. If you have questions before you upgrade, submit a support ticket. They'll be willing to talk to you and answer your questions. And as always, have a blessed trading day and be careful. Lock in those trades before they expire. And I hope you have a profitable one. As always, God bless.